Microestimating includes a part nesting calculator. You can access this via Tools, Nest Calculator. We can choose to nest by length, width, or best. Let's choose our initial stalk size. We can now choose our shape for our blanks. We notice that a 2-inch by 4-inch blank is able to fit 432 parts per sheet. But this is assuming absolutely no loss due to cutting. We're definitely going to need to clamp that plate down first. So this tells us how much scrap percent will remain now that we clamped it on all 4 edges. We can also choose the web width. Now we have how many parts per sheet we can fit and how it is they would best fit. We can further update this to see what other sizes would give us.